How's it going? I'm Ryan. Today I'm going to go over the two trades I took. One on SPY, one on QQQ. Both trades were puts, both trades were winners. Before we dive into that, we'll take a quick look at some levels. On SPY, we had the pre-market high around 494. We had 492.7, 491.5, and 490 about 490.1. And then we'll actually hop over to QQQ and do the same. So we had that pre-market high around 492, or excuse me, 429.3, 428.7, 426.18. We'll take a look at QQQ first because that is the first trade that I took on the day. We had an area that we were opening up in that was an area that we've rejected off of 4 times now. So we have 1 rejection, 2, 3, and 4, and we're opening up in this same kind of range between 428.7 and 429.8. Pre-market high, we rejected off that. We approached it in the morning and rejected off that pre-market high. We came down and held this 428.7 level for about 10 minutes, testing that level and holding, closing above it on the 5-minute before breaking. Kind of broke, came up, retested that level, sold through, and my first trade of the day was on the retest of this low here. So we had an area that we'd wicked down into before a short reversal, had a really aggressive move through that area on high volume, and as we came up and retested this area and got a 5-minute close confirming that there were sellers, I entered puts on this candle here. So we can take a look at the 2-minute here. See what we were looking at. So on the 2-minute as well, you have that clear swing bottom, breakthrough, retest, close below, strong rejection off that area, come up and kind of retest it again, and this is where we took puts. So stop loss would have been a break above this wick, or break into this area up here around 428.2. Target was 427. Only took 1 contract here. I'm trying to slow things down. Had a kind of a bad ending to the last week, so really trying to be more patient, take better trades. Waited for the 5-minute close to confirm this area here, this trade. Got in put shortly after, stop loss above that wick. Targeting 427 because it was the next whole number. I also had 427 strikes on my puts, so going from out of the money to in the money was the idea there. Would have been a nice trade to have runners, as we did come down and test this 426.17 or so level, pretty much to the T. So either held to see that move level to level as we broke and retested and then sold down, or had runners. Obviously take some profit. It was around 33%, so happy with that. But those contracts did move to about 100% when we got down to this level. So would have been nice to have runner, but only took 1 contract here. Regardless, pretty decent win to start the day. That was the only trade I took on QQQ. You can see how we kind of responded. Had this bottom, pretty much a V-shape reversal, right? Rapid sell-off, rapid recovery. So there's some pretty fun price action, pretty good break and retest to trade today. We can hop on over to SPY and take a look at the trade that I took on SPY as well. So after that trade on QQQ, SPY, similar, was showing a lot of weakness throughout the day. We got a break below this 491.5 level, break below, we're retesting 2 consecutive 5-minute candles, retesting and closing below this level, showing some sellers, and that is when I got in for puts. So I took a put with a stop loss on a break above that 491.5 level. It's a pretty tight stop. Since I already had a winning trade, I did not want to risk too much on this. I was willing to take a small risk because I believe that we were going to get this move, but didn't want to risk too much of the profit that I already made for the day. So after those 5-minute confirmations here, hopped in some puts, and I was targeting the low of day. So took 491 same day expiration puts on this break below. As we came down towards the low of day is when I took my profit. Similar to the first trade, runners would have performed really well because I sold somewhere around here, 490, 0.8, and we made ourselves all the way down to about 490.2. So solid extra 60 cents that could have happened there in terms of profit, but nonetheless, a decent little scalp to end the day. So that was the two trades I took. SPY moved really nice too on break and retest of levels. Break, retest, come down to this level, break above, retest, form that nice hammer candle here. You get that confirmation on the 5 minute. This would have been a really good place to enter calls on the holding of this level and the EMA. That's a beautiful entry for calls there. Did not take that though. But these are the type of trades I'm trying to take. I'm trying to take these types of trades, waiting for that 5 minute confirmation, waiting for price action and volume to confirm. The EMA is an additional indicator. If that lines up as well, it's even better. But that's why I didn't take any trades in here. That's why I didn't take any trades in here, is because I wasn't seeing very much confirmation on the 5 minute. We did get a break and retest on the 5 minute here, but we never really got back up there to get a decent enough, an entry that I would have liked. But we do get that, just a few minutes later. So patience, trying to be patient, trying to do this the right way and learn from my mistakes. But that's all I have for you today. We came out today 2 for 2, so playing a bit more patient, waiting for a little bit more confirmation on those higher time frames, and worked out today. So I do appreciate you watching. Thank you very much. I trade live Monday through Friday, so I'll be here all week. That's all I got for you. Have a great day. Peace.